Hi guys, how's everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is July the 24th on a Friday, and guys, I am so glad to bring you this video today. You guys have been waiting on it. Today is the reveal of the kitchen tour, DIY, or whatever you want to call it. It is my own style that I created, and I just want to say thank you all for tuning in. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. We love to have you here on this channel. Like I always say, you can like it, you can not, you can thumbs it up, you can thumbs it down, but any way it goes, we still love you anyway. So guys, with that being said, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Bye. Ready? You can see my shoes. These are my shoes for today and part of my outfit of the day. So guys, let's just get into it. So here is the kitchen, guys. How beautiful is that? So we're going to just walk on into the kitchen. Here we have our lovely stainless steel stove that we had from the other house. I put 2 towels here. I added the eat sign here, and above I told you guys I was going to do something with these, let me turn it down a little bit. I was going to do something with these vases here, and I did change the color so it can match the kitchen. So that's what we have here. And then over here is the countertop. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that, guys. It is amazing. It's very, very wide and big. So here I just put I took the dome glass part off of here and donated it because it just didn't serve a purpose. So I got rid of it, and I just added my marble holder to hold all of my utensils, my wood utensils and all that. And I love this because if you guys remember, it has like the little feet here. I also have my cutting boards. This is a newbie here for the house, so I got that there. Have my vegan Bible. I actually thrifted this, y'all, so this is new. I put black cork in here, and I wrote thankful on it and put my vegan Bible. So that's what it looks like. In the back is actually like an easel. They had 2 of them. I think I paid like $1.50 for that. And this actually had like a blue piece that went in there. I didn't get the other one that had the blue because it was a different price. So this is a newbie here. You guys remember this one. This one holds the peanuts, and this one holds like Kind bars and stuff like that. Breakfast bars. And I added this plant to put in here because, as you can see, that is my vibe, all the wood and everything. And we have the huge sink here. This is my dish drainer, and this is a silicone washing towel. Here is my liquid soap dispenser. We haven't changed, this is not changed yet, so as soon as I can find me a black curl neck or whatever, that's gonna be changed out. Here is a bamboo toilet paper, holder for your paper towels. I probably can't get it out, guys, because I really don't do paper towels all the time. Here is the coffee station. Here is my little sign that I hung here. This is the laundry room, guys, over here. And as you can see, this is what my daughter gifted. So I hung that here. And guys, I found this at Goodwill for $1.50. This actually said spring, welcome to spring. I put black acrylic paint on it and wrote my own saying on there. So it says wash, dry, and fold. So I absolutely love that. Here is the this is a ironing board. Here is the washing machine. I don't know if I showed you. Here is the dishwasher cabinets, guys. So I'm gonna give you show you all of that. Then we have the eat sign over here. I hung the real wood and silver clock there. Guys, look how lovely that looks. Look at that. And we did find, I think I showed you in the clip, we found the matching LED light. So now we have all 4, and that's how that area looks there. You don't even pay attention. You can't even tell there's a washing machine there. Guys, this kitchen is humongous, okay? So let's go on over here. Here is the door that leads to the outside. Remember these curtains, guys? These curtains were upstairs in the bedroom, and I kept saying, what am I going to do with those? Guys, this is what I did with them. Everything has a place. That's why I love to live simple, because you give everything a place. So here is the rug. This rug was at the old house down in the basement in front of the dryer. So guys, if you were wondering, okay, if you were wondering, remember the shelves? This is where I hung the shelves. Well, this is where I had Mark hang the shelves. I thought it was a good idea for us to do so because, guys, remember back here is the fuel breaker box. So nobody wants to see that. So we hung the two shelves here. I had this basket downstairs at the old house on top of the dryer that holds our like bleach and natural homemade laundry detergent. Here is another basket. As you can see, it slants on each side, and I hung two of the beautiful golden pothole plants. Remember these guys, the little small ones that were in the bathroom? I hung those here. I thought it looks better. Look how nice that looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here is the dryer, guys. So that's how that looks on this beautiful floor over here. Yes. So then over here, guys, on this wall, if you guys remember, I made the home sign that was for the door. I said it would look perfect in here because it would go with everything that I was thinking. I wanted to give this kitchen a rustic, homey feel, like rustic, but however, like updated feel. You guys know we painted these walls. The walls have been painted with a beautiful, bright, brilliant white. We got the paint from Lowe's, and I think it took us maybe 2 containers of that paint. So this is what that side looks like, and here is the matching curtain, guys. I hung the other 2 curtains right here, as you can see. Hung my other golden pothos here. Well, my heart-shaped philodendron right here. That looks so lovely. And then, guys, over here, I decided to take this, which is supposed to be the island. I decided to take this and put it over here for now. I have my woven basket here with potatoes in it. I have my stainless steel. This was gifted for a home years ago from my sister, my Cuisinart toaster. So what I did here, I added my banana hook here, which holds the bananas, but we only have one right now. I added the Berkey here. That looks so nice right here. We have plenty of space. And I added my alocasia here, guys, because I just wanted to bring in something with some natural wood elements and put it here because this hides the outlet that I plug up my toaster. So guys, yes, that's what that looks like here. And if you're ready, guys, this is what I did to the table. How do you like that? Huh? How do you like it? Guys, this is Perfect Gray by Rust-Oleum. It's 2X. No, it is 3X by Rust-Oleum, and it's called Perfect Gray. And what I did was I just sprayed the table. I sprayed the legs very lightly. As you can see, you still see some traces of wood. That's the wood, that is the idea of the look that I was going for. And that is, I did not spray the chairs. So guys, these can get pulled out like so, and you can sit here. I've been coming here, having tea, having my coffees, like so, and you just push the chair back in. I told you the kitchen is very large. Here I just have my basket of fruits and vegetables, and here's the other chair. And guys, look how that looks. Y'all cannot tell me that is not beautiful. Look at that. The gray onto this birch color. OMG, it is to die for. So guys, these chairs were DIY by I. Table DIY by I. The whole concept and look was done by me. Here is the trash bag holder. So we have a few bags here. We try not to do plastic all the time. And we hung the garbage can here, which you know this goes up and down by the push of a foot, like so. And guys, absolutely love it. So here is the stainless steel fridge. And then on top, we just have like a woven basket that's like actually for like pizza. And guys, that is basically the kitchen. I hope you guys really like it. I hope it was everything you have been waiting for. Let me know in the comments what is your best feature. So I'm going to do a pan around again. Okay, so as you come in over here, I'm not going to show you too much. As you come over here, you come into the kitchen, and this is what you will see. Beautiful floors, beautiful, beautiful floors, y'all. Beautiful floors. We have table. We have our little station here. We have our beautiful wall here. I think I didn't tell you guys this came from Roses for $2.99. I couldn't believe it, and it is wood. So let you see that. And this was part of, like, I went into my boxes, like this was like part of like this was had to do with like a wedding. It was a wedding gift or for the wedding or something like that. I can't really remember. Here is the shelves that you guys wanted to know where I was going to put those, like so. Here is the side door. Yes, y'all. Here is the laundry area. DIY piece of art here. Here is our wooden hook holder. Washing machine, dishwasher, coffee station, sink, prep area, eat sign, clock, and here is the stove. So if you're wondering too, down here, I'll give you guys some more. This is what I did with the drawer. All my oils, utensils, silverware, incense, things like that is in here. Down here, I did put saucepan top holders. Down here we house our pots and tops, and here are some extra things that was left over from the housewarming. In this one, have some things here. Lined drawer. Down here, same thing. All my cleaning products are down here. And then on this shelf we have like our clean dish drying towels, and these are our aprons that was gifted before. So I have that here. Nothing really in here. Oh, yes it is. I'm sorry. This is the arts and craft box. So that's what's in there. And then on this side we just have those two containers that we used to fill for water. And yeah guys, that's about it. So we're almost done. I'm gonna show you what's in here. Here are coffee mugs, a few vitamins, a couple cups. In here, which I love this, y'all, I love the wood. All the dishes and everything in here. These are entertainment dishes, and these are just everyday dishes here. Let's close that up. Over here, that is the other side. This is where I keep my pitcher, my bullet. These are like wedding gifts. This is like part of entertaining. Blender. And then on this side of the stove, we have our little pantry type like thing here. All the spices and everything. And guys, that is it. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this kitchen tour. I'm going to do another pan around again so you can see everything, and we're going to end this video. And let me know in the comments, how do you like the new kitchen, guys? Look how bright, white, and airy that is. Everything is so beautiful. Look at the countertops, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. All of this room. So guys, I will see you guys in another video really soon. Peace and love, everyone. I would love to hear and love to know, what do you think about my new refreshed, updated kitchen? And guys, go back, and if I can insert the video from when I showed you guys the kitchen tour, compare it to this and let me know what you think. I love you all, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming along on this journey. Peace and love, everyone.